Safe way to kill moss in lawns. Moss is a type of primitive green plant that has thin leaves and reproduces using spores blown on the wind. Moss does not kill grass, but it will fill in any areas where the grass is thin. Moss is not damaging, but it may ruin the appearance of your lawn, especially if you desire a uniform appearance. The appearance of moss indicates that your lawn does not have a good nutrient balance. Moss can be controlled by changing the cultural practices used to maintain the lawn, as well as removing it by hand. Things you will need: rake, shovel, soil test, soil amendments, grass seed, core aerator. Rake any moss growing in the lawn to remove the moss. Moss does not have roots, so removal in this manner is enough to get rid of the moss. Take several samples of soil from the lawn according to the instructions from your local university extension service, and send the soil samples to them for testing. This service usually costs less than $20 as of the date of publication. Most lawns require a pH of between 5.8 and 6.5, while moss requires a more acidic soil. Add amendments to the soil according to the soil test recommendations. Apply a rye or turf grass seed to any bare areas of soil, using the seeding rate on the side of the bag. Cover the seeds with 1/4 inch of topsoil to protect the seeds from birds and to keep them from washing away in the rain. Keep the seeds moist until they germinate. Covering up bare spots in the lawn will prevent the development of moss. Plant shade-tolerant grass in shady areas to keep the lawn lush throughout the landscape. Trim low-hanging branches to expose the area to more sunlight. Run a core aerator over the lawn to remove plugs of soil and alleviate compaction. Core aerators are available for rent from many hardware or landscaping stores. Tips: warnings. If you do not want to seed the lawn with new grass, apply a mulch to the bare areas to prevent moss from growing there.